In today's video, we're going to focus on lines, specifically those that are in y equals mx plus b form. So whenever you see an m, this is referring to the slope of the line, which is equal to rise over run, delta y over delta x, or y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Depending on what kind of information the question gives you, you might want to use a different version of this formula. Now the b value is simply the y-intercept. For example, if I had this line here in red, this would be the y-intercept, the point that the graph touches the y-axis. Okay, so let's try an example. Let's say we have y is equal to 3x plus 1. It means the y-intercept is at 1. And the 3 means that we have a slope of 3. So if we want to use this 3, we got to remember that this is equal to rise over run. But it doesn't have a denominator. So whenever you have a whole number, the denominator is always 1. So this means we have a rise of 3 and a run of 1. So we're going to go up 3 and over 1. So you use the slope to figure out the second point of the graph, considering the y-intercept your starting point. Then all you need to do is get your ruler and draw a line between the 2 points. I would recommend you write down the slope formulas because we're going to need them later in this video and in future videos in this series. Okay, next example. I always like to start off with the y-intercept to get us our initial point. So our y-intercept is down here in yellow. And then to find our second point, we use rise over run. So this is going to be a rise, and this is going to be a run. So rise tells you how much to go up. Run tells you how much to go to the right. So we're going to go up 2, 1, 2, and then we're going to go to the right 3, 1, 2, 3. So our second point is going to be right here. Then you get a ruler and draw a line through the 2 points. That's it for this video. Go ahead and do the 2 homework questions in blue. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing.